Welcome to Diamant Linen Laundry, one of the largest commercial laundries in Europe. We are here in Farnford, in County Kerry, where they serve to the hospitality industry across Ireland.
We had three major industrial suppliers, but for a variety of different reasons, two of them pulled out, and it left a demand amongst the hospitality industry here in Kerry, which is one of our leading industries. So we decided to look at a commercial laundry operation here.
And we're already up to 2,000 bedrooms, which means because of the capacity we've now got, we feel comfortable that we can achieve it. And as Eileen said, the team of workers that we've got here are becoming confident by the day, and the IPSO equipment is helping that, along with Eileen's management, of course.
We have a machine that suits every sort of customer. So as you can see, the technology and some of the equipment, all the new machines now have all touchscreen technology. It's really easy for the customer to use, and everything is explained really easy on them.
I actually had a conversation with all of the members of staff last week. Their response to them was that they were really loving it and actually were finding it really soothing and really, I suppose, quite happy in what they were doing, and that definitely is down to the functionality of the machines for sure.
We know how reliable the equipment is, and the customers know the brand. When they see the IPSO brand name, they know it's quality, and that's to say, it's because it's 20, 30 years IPSO has been in Ireland, and some machines still 30 years old are still operating in Ireland at the moment. So customers know, and when their machine needs to be replaced after 15, 20 years, they will return to an IPSO brand again because they know it has lasted that long.
At IPSO, we don't just promise advanced technology, we deliver it with human touch. Committed to make your laundry operations easier and more efficient, we stand confident as your partner in success.